You have to keep going. All right, Steve, let's see what you can do. Let's see what you can do. Take this. I like how you guys hand me it.
They all get discombobulated.
Yeah. What are you guys gonna do after this?
I don't know. What would you suggest? We got a couple hours before the ferry, so.
Ooh.
We already ate lunch though, so.
You already ate lunch?
More than I could have eaten at one time. It was like so much.
Where did you guys go?
Fish house.
Where?
Fish house? Fish house. Fish house, I think.
Oh. You guys, I don't know. I've never heard of that.
Well, it had really good fish and lobster.
Okay.
It was about
I trust
right
you
across the
guys.
street from
It's like
where
it was a shack in the alley.
Exactly, not far from where you live.
Yeah, just. Where's it, Freddie? Nah, zipping. Not very far. Actually, I could have sworn it said Abby's house on the front.
Ah.
Abby's living quarters. All right, Steve-O.
All right. I'm a rubber ball. I come bouncing back to you. Rubber ball. I come bouncing back to you. How'd I do?
That was perfect, dude.
I thought I had a rhythm going.
You're going buck wild out there, that's for sure. And serenading us.
Oh, yeah. If I had a voice, I'd be dangerous.
All right, I'm gonna hand this trolley back to you.
All right, thank you.
No problem. I'm gonna clip this back in right here.